In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Instinct 2X series watch. To get to your activity list, press the GPS button. If you have the Instinct 2X Tactical Edition, you will already have a preset list of activities that align with that edition. However, you can always scroll to the bottom of the list to add additional activities. For other Instinct 2X series watches, after you open the activities list, scroll through the list and select the activities you want by pressing the GPS button. Once you have finished selecting activities, scroll down and select Done. Now your customized activity list is complete. To open an activity, press the GPS button. And that's it. Your Garmin Instinct 2X series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Instinct, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.